Image Viewer application using Qt C++. Select New File or Project from File menu. Select Project in the template and select Qt Widgets Application Template. In the Introduction and Project Location dialog, give a meaningful name to the application and browse location. Give a name for the class and leave all other fields as default. This class represents the main window of the application. The header file, source file and form file fields are automatically updated to match the name of the class. Project created will contain these files. Go to Project View. This is the header file of the created class. These are the source files. For designing the user interface, go to the UI file in the Forms section of the project view. Execute the project. Now design the user interface. Add label to display the image. Add a push button to browse the path. Execute the project. To add a function in the button click, we can use the Qt signals and slots mechanism. Right-click on the button. Select Go to Slot and add signal for clicked. A signal is emitted when a particular event occurs, and a slot is a function that is called in response to a particular signal. Qt widgets have predefined signals and slots that you can use directly from Qt Designer. A private slot is added to the header file and a private function is added to the source file studentdatabase.cpp. Include header files, Q file dialog and Q label for transversing file system and adding widgets. The Q file dialog class provides a dialog that allows users to select files or directories. The Q label widget provides a text or image display. Add a protected method change event as shown. Go to CPP file of the image viewer. Write the code to open the picture file. GUI file dialog browses files only with the specified extensions which are set by setName filter functions. getOpenFileName is a convenience static function that returns an existing file selected by the user. If the user presses cancel, it returns a null string. If file name has a value, label loads the image. Write command handler for change event. This event handler can be re-implemented to handle state changes. Qt notifies applications if the user interface language changes by sending an event of the type QEvent, language change. To call the member function retranslate UI of the user interface object, we re-implement QWidget, change event in the form class as given in the code. Write the code to view the picture in the label. The QPixMap class is an off-screen image representation that can be used as a paint device. Execute the project. Errors are displayed. A variable of the parameter should be there. Again, execute the program and verify the output. Browsed image is loaded.